Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores under one account. So if you have one Shopify store, you can create multiple Shopify stores on one account, but each one you will have to pay for the subscription. Like a lot of people ask me in the comments, if I have like 3 stores, will I pay for these 3 stores or just one? You will have to pay for each store. So just to answer guys your questions, now to create multiple Shopify stores under one account or on one account, I just wanted to click on profile in the top right. Okay, click on my stores in the top right and then click on all stores. Okay, Shopify has changed the theme. As you can see, it's black down in the top. I don't know if it's just for me or for everyone. So you want to click on all stores, and here it will show you guys the list of your own Shopify stores. Okay, I have 2 Shopify stores, but probably it will take you automatically to your old Shopify store. If that's the case, then you have to create another Shopify store and you will be able to see this. Now to create another Shopify store, you want to click on create store, and I'm going to skip all this. Select the account. As you can see, it says here Shopify offers the best converting checkout with Shop Pay. You just need to ignore this and just wait for the Shopify store to be finished so that you can finish creating the store for you. As you can see, now we have 3 Shopify stores. Click on my store in the top right, click on all stores, and here you will find how many stores you have. Now I have 3. I had 2. I have created one in front of you guys, so you can then switch between them each time, like every time you want. If you want to access, for example, one product store, for example, you just need to click on all stores and you need to select that store. Click on it. It will take you directly to the store. Then after you finish, you want to access another store, click on all stores, access the store here, go back to the old store or general store, whatever. Okay guys, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. See you guys next video.